All right, guys, we are here at the Home Depot and we are picking up a new lawn mower. We are getting the Toro, powered by the Honda engine. So I got it here, right here on the cart. We're gonna do a full review, so I will keep you guys posted. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so we are back home. So the total cost of this lawnmower was $389 plus $25.77 for taxes, and the total came out to $414.77. So we're gonna unpack her, see how she looks, and then see how she cuts, and I'll keep you guys posted. Do not use a razor blade, okay? All right, there we have it, folks. Looks like you can hook up your hose to clean it up. Comes with some oil. I guess this is the dispatcher or the shooter, whatever you guys call it. Paperwork. So, Toro 22-inch recycler lawnmower. Okay. Got the bagger. Ugh. All right. And then there she is, all packed up and looking all beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna pull it out the box and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, one thing I did notice as I'm putting the handlebars on is it's got two slots here. Let me see if you guys can see that. So in case you want it lower, you use the bottom, and if you want this higher, if you're a taller person, you use the top side. So that was pretty interesting. First thoughts, seems pretty sturdy. Looks nice and built. So this isn't the first lawnmower that I was looking at. I was actually looking at the Hondas, but they're all sold out. So can't really get my hands on one, and I need to cut the grass. So I opted for this Toro because it's powered by a Honda motor. So I thought that was nice. I did have a Honda push mower before, and it lasted like 20 years. So I figured, you know, let me go with the Honda. But like I said, they ran out. So we'll go with this one. Here's the blades underneath. Now this one's got you could mulch the grass clippings, or you could recycle them back into the grass, or you could bag it. So I thought that was pretty nice. Looks like it's well built, but we'll see how she cuts. We'll see how she performs. So we put the oil in there. Sorry, let me get it from this end. So we put the oil in there, but one thing that concerns me is that it's very hard to tell if I'm at the limit. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I think I'm there. And then put the bagger on there. It's got this nice little fuel shutoff valve, which is good for when you go to store the engine. This here is the air filter. So run position, close position. So it looks like we're good to go. I topped it off with some fuel. So this is gonna be the first pull, guys. We'll see how she does. I'm guessing I'll have to do a couple pulls to get the fuel circulating in there. See if I could do this. I like barely pulled on that thing. I was just trying to circulate the fuel and she started right up. All right, so let's see how she cuts, guys. Hey guys, check out what I want to show you. So this lever here is to start the mower and to keep it running, but this guy down here is the self-propelled part, and it's a front-wheel drive. And I have to say, I'm pretty impressed. So I know you can't tell, but it cut nicely. But I'm pretty impressed with this guy because, you know, when you squeeze it all the way, it's a nice, fast-paced walk. And as you get into like the mailbox and the telephone pole and the telephone wire and stuff, you just ease up on it and it'll slow down. So that's pretty cool. I like it. And as you guys saw, with all Honda motors, it starts very easily. I mean, you don't even have to tug on it. So I'm pretty happy. I'm gonna use it. It's all dusty because You know, the grass is very dry here, and I got some dirt spots there. But you know, we could clean it up. But I'm pretty happy with it, guys. $400 and something. So pretty cool. I'll keep you guys posted, see how long it lasts. But so far so good. Also has an auto choke system. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Chili Moose signing out. Peace.